Welcome back to Stellar Secrets. When you look up at the night sky, there's one constellation that stands out to almost everyone in the Northern Hemisphere. Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear. It's one of the oldest and most recognizable constellations in the night sky. But behind those famous stars lie thousands of years of history, science, and mystery. Today, we're exploring 7 fascinating facts about Ursa Major that you may not know, from its mythology to its role in navigation, and even the secrets hidden deep within its stars. First fact, Ursa Major is one of the oldest known constellations. Ursa Major has been recognized by cultures around the world for thousands of years. References to it go back to ancient Greek, Roman, Native American, and even Hindu traditions. The Greek poet Homer mentioned it in the Odyssey nearly 3,000 years ago. Because it's so bright and easy to spot, it has been a cultural symbol across continents. Second fact, the Big Dipper is part of Ursa Major. Many people confuse the Big Dipper with Ursa Major itself. The Big Dipper is actually an asterism, a smaller, recognizable pattern of 7 bright stars within the larger constellation. These stars form the bear's back and tail, making it the most famous part of Ursa Major. But the constellation itself contains dozens of stars that make up the full bear shape. Third fact, it has been used for navigation for centuries. Sailors and travelers have relied on Ursa Major to find their way. The 2 stars at the end of the Big Dipper's bowl, called Dubhe and Merak, point directly to Polaris, the North Star. This simple trick has guided explorers for centuries, helping them find true north long before the invention of compasses or GPS. Even today, it's a quick way to orient yourself in the night sky. Fourth fact, Ursa Major is visible all year in the Northern Hemisphere. Unlike many constellations that appear only during certain seasons, Ursa Major is circumpolar, meaning it never sets below the horizon in most of the Northern Hemisphere. This makes it one of the most reliable constellations to observe, whether it's summer or winter. Its constant presence is one reason why so many cultures gave it importance in myths and legends. Fifth fact, the stars of Ursa Major aren't all the same distance. Although the stars of the Big Dipper look close together, they are actually at very different distances from Earth. For example, Dubhe is about 123 light-years away, while Merak is only 80 light-years away. Interestingly, most of the stars in the Big Dipper, except Dubhe and Al-Qaid, are part of a moving star cluster called the Ursa Major Moving Group, traveling through space together in the same direction. Sixth fact, it's rich in deep sky objects. Ursa Major is home to many galaxies that are visible even with small telescopes. Some of the most famous are the Bode's galaxy, M81, and the Cigar galaxy, M82, 2 stunning galaxies located near each other. It also contains several galaxies in the Messier catalog, making it a favorite target for amateur astronomers who want to explore beyond stars and into the vast world of galaxies. Seventh fact, Ursa Major is tied to myths and legends worldwide. In Greek mythology, Ursa Major was linked to the story of Callisto, a nymph turned into a bear by Zeus and placed in the sky. Native American tribes often saw the stars as a bear being chased by hunters. In Hindu tradition, the Big Dipper stars are known as the saptarishi, representing 7 great sages. These myths show how humans across cultures have always looked at the same stars and woven them into their stories. If you enjoyed learning about Ursa Major, Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Stellar Secrets, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more journeys through the night sky. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the universe.